So you might be trying to figure out if you can actually use eye tracking on your Samsung phone. Now the short answer of this is no. There's not a way to natively use eye tracking like how we have on our iPhones inside of our Samsung phones just yet. So if you go inside of your Samsung device, if you click on search, and if you type in like eye, for example, there's not really anything that's going to come up. I mean, there's going to be this stuff, but there's not going to be like an eye tracking type of feature, unfortunately. Now, there were some things in the future or in the past that did allow you to have some eye tracking, like the Galaxy S4, I think, in the Note 3 or S3. They allowed you to like look at your display, move up and down with your eyes, and you were actually able to go ahead and actually, kind of move it up and down the page. Unfortunately, that is now gone. But I do think in the future something like that could change. There are like tracking applications that you can download. So if you go inside of the Google Play Store, if you type in like eye tracking, I'm sure there's been like some applications out there that have given you some type of capability like this. But in recent times, there's not really anything that allows you to do this for the most part. So if you do eye tracking, there's like some stuff that you can kind of do, talk with your eyes, eye exercises, whatever it says. But there's not really a native like, oh, like, this is like eye tracking completely. Like you can use your phone just with your eyes, like how we have on our iPhones now. But I think with that said, I think things like that could change in the future. And Samsung could implement these things now that it's on iOS. I feel like Samsung has a really good opportunity to go and put it inside of their Samsung phones as well. So that is basically that. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.